Imagine facing serious criminal charges, where your future hangs in the balance, and you are confronted with a decision about entering a guilty plea. Many people wonder if agreeing to such a plea means giving up every single legal protection they have. When you enter a guilty plea in a criminal case, you do not waive all of your legal rights, but you absolutely waive several of the most fundamental and critical ones. Understanding this distinction is incredibly important for anyone navigating the justice system. The core reason a guilty plea impacts your rights so significantly is that it is essentially an admission of guilt, bypassing the need for a trial. This means you directly give up your constitutional right to a jury trial, your right to call and confront witnesses against you, and your right to remain silent and avoid self-incrimination. You are also typically giving up your right to appeal the verdict itself, since you have admitted guilt. Courts must ensure this waiver is knowing, voluntary, and intelligent, meaning you fully understand the consequences of your plea and are making the decision freely, without coercion. However, even after pleading guilty, some vital rights still protect you. You always retain the right to competent legal counsel, meaning your attorney must act in your best interests throughout the process. You can also generally appeal issues related to the validity of the plea itself, for instance, if it was coerced or if your attorney was ineffective in advising you. Additionally, you often retain the right to appeal the legality or fairness of your sentence if it falls outside of the negotiated agreement or established legal guidelines. During what is called a plea colloquy, the judge will ask you a series of detailed questions in open court to confirm that you understand the rights you are waiving and the consequences of your plea. It is also important to consider collateral consequences of a plea, which are impacts beyond the direct criminal sentence, such as effects on professional licenses, voting rights, or immigration status. These are not rights waived, but rather long-term effects you must understand. Ultimately, while a guilty plea removes the need for a trial and significantly narrows the avenues for appeal, it does not strip you of all legal protections. The key is to be fully informed, understand the precise terms of your plea agreement, and, most importantly, have the guidance of experienced legal counsel every step of the way to ensure your remaining rights are upheld and protected.